How's it going, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Tag Team Cards, where you get to see us and listen to us rip, rant, and rave as we open various products of sports and trading card games. I'm your host today, Captain Tim Subi, otherwise known as Tim. And today, we're going to be opening, or I should say, I will be opening once again a blaster box of 2024-25 NBA Mosaic. Been really enjoying this product, so I wanted to open another one. And go from there. We have been having more products. We've been opening a couple of unlicensed, specifically tops for football. Hope you guys have been enjoying those when you see them. We're going to be trying to do some more stuff like that as well as basketball. What's I going to say? Yeah, football season has started, but basketball will be not far behind. Let's see what we're going to pull today. We've been getting, or I should say I have finally been getting our eBay listings more up to date. So a lot of the stuff you've been seeing in past videos that's not in Emily and I's PC is starting to go up on our storefronts, if not for trays. All right, let's go right now. Here we go. Tari Eason of the Rockets. I'm going to PC that for now. Mr. Mike Conley for the Timberwolves. We got Isaiah Hartenstein. Alexander Sarr, City Edition rookie. So we'll just put that in the maybes for now. Okay. Then we have RJ Barrett. Naz Reid. Got the Naz Reid. All right. Collins for the Jazz. Darius Garland of the Cavs. Kyle Lowry. Okay, there's something right there. We'll get that in a second. Tristan Da Silva, rookie. NBA debut. Put that like that. Let's get this one first. Michael Porter Jr. Nuggets. It's this way. And it's backwards. Ooh! Oh man, I have the pole guy. 14 of 25. 14 of 25. For Gary Harris of the Magics, his auto. I don't know if we need to, but just for now, because I'm gonna be nice to this card. It's an auto. I'll be cool with it and just give it a nice little top loader for now. But there's our first hit. That's going to be the big hit, I'm guessing, for the box. Okay. Ayton. Well, the less I have to say about that. Buddy Hield. Jabari Smith, I'll be keeping that. Ooh, there we go. A Donovan Clingan, Elevate rookie. Deron Holmes, rookie. Base. City Edition Wemby. City Edition for Wemby. I actually like this Klingon. I don't know if it needs to be, but I'm gonna put it in. I'm gonna put it in the sleeve. Put it right here for now, and then we'll take this Wemby up. That's a nice little Wemby. Put that right there. Oh, guys, I'm telling you, I got the luck when it comes to blaster boxes. I don't know what it is with me and blaster boxes, but we generally get along pretty well. I do like James Harden. I'll be keeping this one. I haven't pulled one for him yet. Oh, there's my boy KD. He's a Rocket now. We'll do that one last. The rookie is Dalton Connect City Edition. Ooh. Thunder Road, okay. That's a nice one for Ant. That's a nice one. We'll do both those. Where did I put my penny sleeves? We've got 2 packs left, guys. 2 packs, and we're doing some decent pulls, I feel. Getting some decent pulls, I feel. Two packs left. We can make it good on time. Nice short video for you guys of a single blaster, I feel. Getting a little bit of everything. You guys can see it in here. Ooh, I don't know what that is, but that looks interesting. We'll do that in a second. Rookie card is Tristan Da Silva. Base. Johnny Furphy. Pacers. That's a good one. We'll sleeve that in a minute. Okay. This is a nice one. I mean, this is definitely going to be PC'd by Triggercini. For sure. Let me top load those. Or not top load. Let me sleeve these up real quick. Last pack luck, guys. Even though we've had luck already, can we get more? I didn't see who that was, but I did see a face. Jeremy Grant, Anthony Simmons, Evan Mobley, Cam Whitmore for the Rockets. The rookie is going to be... Oh, it's not a rookie. It's an NBA great, Tracy McGrady. Tracy, old school. I'll keep that for now because he was on the Rockets. I like the Tracy. And then the silver. Whoo! It's a sick one too. Gotta love that. That's a hit for me. All right, guys. Bob, what do you think once again of Mosaic? I always love hearing that one. It does feel like it's revenge for other Panini blasters that I don't get hits in, but I think we did pretty decent, guys. Let's show the big ones real quick. We'll show those nice little big hits that we got. Give me a second here. Give me a moment. All right. So this Halburn's pretty sick. We got the Trae Young silver. We got this nice Ant Thunder Road parallel. We got the City Edition Wimby. And the 14 of 25 Orlando Magic Gary Harris scripts on the gold. Let me know what you think, guys. Let me know what you think was the coolest card that was pulled in here. Do you like Mosaic? I've really been enjoying this the Mosaic pulls lately. If you haven't already, be sure to drop a subscribe. Once we hit 51, and we're getting really close, I'm going to be dropping a video on how somebody, one of our subscribers, will be able to win this Action Shot Panini Prism rookie card of Caitlin Clark. You know you guys want one. You guys can win this card. But yeah, guys, thanks as always for stopping by and hanging out with us. Until next time, stay safe, take care, and as always, rip responsibly.